get right into the video. So I received some clip-ins from BetterLength Hair, and this is what the packaging looks like. I am in love with this bag. Look at the inside. Packaging says BetterLength Hair for Black women, and they actually do specialize in creating clip-ins, ponytails, extensions for Black women. They offer 8 different textures of hair, y'all. This is a hair care guide. Tell you exactly how to wash it, exactly how to condition and detangle. They tell you what to do after installation, and they even have some recommended products. It comes with extra thread and extra clips just in case you need to do some repairs. This is one bundle of the clip-ins. I don't know if y'all can see how freaking thick this is, y'all. This is just one bundle. This looks like dang near a full head of hair. This is our Afro Kinky Curly, which means it's supposed to match 3C to 4A textures. So I'm looking at this right now, just looking at the integrity of the curls. Definitely got some pieces that look exactly like my hair now. First impressions, I'm very pleased with the thickness of this bundle. It is very thick. I'm also really impressed with the texture. This looks like it's gonna match my natural texture perfectly. The hair is so soft. It does not have like a smell. It smells like bundle hair, like virgin bundle hair. Only other thing I'm seeing is you have your occasional strand that is like gray, and we don't do grays over here, so we just gonna pluck that out and keep it moving. As y'all can see, my hair is not done. She needs some TLC, so we're gonna go ahead and give our natural hair some TLC as well as our BetterLength clip-ins. Okay, y'all, we're back. Only thing I've done was wash those clip-ins with shampoo and conditioner. I'll go ahead and let you know everything that I used. I also rinsed out my hair. I did have some conditioner in my head that I need to rinse out, so I went ahead and did that. I used the exact same conditioner on my natural hair as I did on the clip-ins, and it seemed to work really well. A total of 10 clip-ins comes into each bundle, and here is what they're currently looking like. Okay, so I just separated some hair in the back. It's not gonna be completely straight across, but that's not what we want, you know? So this is our section. And now let's see if we can find a clip-in section that will go great back there. Let's go in with our very first clip-in. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is how long it is. 2 clips, just like that. Slide that in, clip it. Slide this one in. Clip that one down too. We have applied our very first clip-in. We got inches. This is crazy. Okay, the hardest part of this is dealing with my hair, not even the clip-ins. Once you get to the clip-in portion, it's super easy. So we have another section back here. Let's see if we can put this one back there. Definitely gonna use a longer section for this one. Let me keep going. I'll get to you with the final product. Okay, so we are back, and as you can see, my hair is starting to dry up, and your girl has lots and lots of shrinkage. Okay, so we need to go ahead and style this hair. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do wash and go with these clip-ins. Again, we're gonna take our spray bottle, and the first thing we wanna do is completely soak our hair. I'm only gonna take a little bit, and like I got no choice, I can't only take a little bit. So I'm taking this much product, and I'm essentially gonna rake this through my hair, making sure that we have some sort of moisture. Next step, sealing that moisture with some grapeseed oil. Now, the most important part of our wash and go is going to be our holding product. I'm going in with this Wet Line Extreme Gel. Y'all love to talk about this gel on YouTube, so we're gonna see what it's hitting like, okay? Taking a generous amount of gel. I'm loving the way this is looking right now, y'all. We're giving you a wet look. We're giving you been natural for all of our life and have been growing our hair very lusciously and healthily all of our life. And that was super, super simple. Literally just do your normal wash and go routine. The texture is giving me. It's giving me my natural hair, okay? So if you want us to do a wash and go with these clip-ins, you already know. It's the way, y'all. Clearly, our hair looks a mess and we need to hook it up with these Better Length hair clip-ins. So I have all of my clip-ins right here. This is day 2, so we've already styled them. We just need to refresh them, and definitely we need to refresh our hair, okay? Okay, so I just parted out a small section of hair in the back. And I'm gonna take one of these smaller clips and we're gonna place this one in the back. Make sure those are nice and snug. Clip down, clip down. Boom. So here's what my hair looks like right now. Of course, we are not styled at all. And I still have 1, 2, 3 clip-ins left out of 10. So I have 7 clip-ins in my hair, and as you can see, I have lots and lots of volume. Now we're gonna go ahead and start styling our hair. Okay, I think I'm gonna also try a half up, half down type situation. I want to try kind of similar to this style. I want to try a top knot bun, really tall, really voluminous with these clip-ins. Okay, so let's go ahead and rearrange. So this has to be my favorite style, and as you can see, those clip-ins really came through. It's super easy to just wrap this hair around and style your bun as desired. I really liked the information sheet that came with the hair. This is telling you what products are good, exactly how you should treat the hair, exactly how you should maintain the hair. One of the biggest things about clip-ins is maintenance, especially when you're talking about 100% human hair, virgin hair that can be dyed, that can be straightened. Make sure you maintain it just like any other curly hair. A big thanks to BetterLength Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me over these clip-ins. I will definitely be playing with these. I had a request already to dye these clip-ins, so I definitely will be playing more with these, and you'll see them on my Instagram at Jaila's Hair. So if you don't already follow my hair Instagram, follow it for all the updates, sis. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can be notified, and share with other people. All the information that you need to purchase this hair will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check it. I also pin a comment so you can have all the information you need. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.